If you want to match two clips in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and get a more consistent look across your edit, this tutorial will walk you through the built-in shot match feature step by step. It is one of the fastest ways to make two different shots feel like they belong in the same scene, especially when you are dealing with different lighting, camera angles, or exposure differences. Before we get into it, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this one. That helps the channel a lot, and it also makes sure you do not miss future editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go down to the bottom of the screen. You want to click the Color tab. This is where all of your color correction and color matching tools live. Since shot matching is a grading feature, it has to be done from the color page, not from the edit page. Once you are on the color page, look at the thumbnail timeline above the control panels. This is where all of your clips are displayed. Now click on the clip that you want to change. This is the target clip, which means this is the clip that will receive the new matched look. When you click it, it should highlight so you know it is selected. Next, find the clip that already has the look you want to copy. This is your reference clip. Right-click on that clip in the thumbnail timeline to open the context menu. DaVinci Resolve gives you several options here, but the one you want is the Shot Match to this clip command. When you see Shot Match to this clip, click it. DaVinci Resolve will now analyze the color information from both clips and try to match the target clip to the reference clip automatically. It compares things like brightness, contrast, and overall color balance, then applies a correction to help the clips look more consistent. After the match is applied, take a moment to review the result. Sometimes the automatic match is very close right away, and sometimes you may want to fine-tune it a little more depending on your footage. If needed, you can still make manual adjustments after the shot match is done, so you have full control over the final look. This is especially useful if you are editing interviews, talking head videos, or multi-camera footage, where one clip may have been shot in slightly different lighting. Instead of trying to manually recreate the same grade from scratch, you can let DaVinci Resolve do the heavy lifting and then polish it from there. And that's really all there is to it. To match two clips in DaVinci Resolve 20, go to the Color tab, select the clip you want to change, right-click the clip you want to copy the look from, and choose Shot Match to this clip. In just a few clicks, you can make your footage look much more consistent and professional. If this helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips, tutorials, and editing workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.